Want to make this no-bake cheesecake? Let me show you how. Here's what you'll need for the no-bake cheesecake: 20 golden Oreos, 16 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, half of a lemon, and 1 stick of butter. For the strawberry topping, you will need 2 cups of chopped strawberries, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a 1/2 cup of water plus 2 tablespoons of water, and a pinch of salt. Okay, to begin with, I'll start preparing the crust for the cheesecake. We'll take about 20 Oreos and blend. Okay, I'll put it off. After I finished crushing my Oreos, I melted my butter in the microwave. I'm going to go ahead and put that butter in, and you're going to mix it. After you finish mixing your cookies and your butter, you want to press it out on a spring form pan. Start with creaming your cream cheese. After creaming cheese for about 5 minutes, add in your condensed milk. After mixture is smooth and creamy, add a tablespoon of lemon juice. After mixing, pour over crust and refrigerate 4 to 5 hours or overnight. While my cheesecake is chilling, I'll start on my strawberry glaze. Strawberries. Sugar, water, vanilla flavor. Bring that to a boil. After 10 minutes of simmering, I'll add a tablespoon of lemon juice. After another minute of simmering, I'm going to take a tablespoon of cornstarch and add it with 2 tablespoons of water. Mix. After 3 minutes, it should be thick, so you can cut off your stove and leave it to cool. After refrigeration, add your toppings.